We have a interdisciplinary team from R&D, from the business units, and on the other hand, from marketing, where we decide which kind of label we handle into this FINAT award.
It's a highly complex product with a lot of printing steps we have to perform to get the functionality this patch needs. What you need here is not only a very stable process over the whole production, but also a high flexibility, so you can adhere it to the patient, even on like very sharply curved sections of the body. There is quite a lot of challenges we had to face and we had to overcome. For example, we have multiple printing steps on both sides of the foils. There's more than just one foil. We have adhesive layers, we have insulation layers. So it's quite a complex product we have here, and everything has to be a highly precision positioning of the whole product to make sure that the plasma that is ignited within the product is just showing the homogeneity that it's needed for a proper treatment of the patient. It's highly motivating to see that you get something back, and that also someone outside sees the benefit of this product. And especially for me as the product developer, it's also highly motivating to work on this project, as it's a product or a treatment method which allows treatments which were not possible before. Actually, when it comes to a medical product like the CPT Patch, you have some limitations in the materials you can use and how you can build the whole device. So we had a bigger focus on bringing forward this technology to make it possible that it's fully functional also in a big scale-up process, because with this treatment method you can save materials which otherwise would be needed for a same treatment or a similar treatment. So the sustainability aspect is more in having a highly efficient treatment method, which is possible with this device. Quality is one of the highest levels we have here at Schreiner. And especially if you think about this device, we are in contact not just with the skin of the patient, but actually with an open wound. You really have to make sure that in the production process, it's not just clean, but it's just it's almost sparkling. So you really have to have the highest standards when it comes to the production environment to make sure that there's any residues in the device that might harm the patient. We bought designed two new machines, printing machines from scratch, just to fulfill the needs we see here.
In general, the mindset of a startup and the Schreiner Group is quite compatible. It makes for the complete development team, it makes a lot of fun to work together with startups. And in this case, it makes even more fun because we believe on this product, and that was also the reason why we decided to invest here into development. And there's a huge effort of development that we put into this product to bring it to this stage that it is a complete functional product and it can go to the pharmaceutical industry. Especially for this product, we need engineers that have experience in the electronic industry. On the other hand, we also need for this product general printing technology and engineers who work in these areas. We have the possibility to combine the hardware world with the digital world. We can connect to the internet, and I think this will be one of the future pathways for our industry to add this function. The combination of the marking label industry with the digital world will be one trend, I think, where companies of the label business have to look inside. The other trend will be to add more value for the customer in addition to the general marking label. The plasma patch is one of these examples where we integrated functions that also create benefit for the pharmaceutical industry.